Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. Haven't done much of an update on my ZT Elite. It's done quite well. I went over it, kind of fine-tooth comb, look at it to see if some others that I was seeing online were having problems with bolts were loose and stuff. I didn't have that. I think I spoke about one time with one of these being out of line, and all you gotta do is just go down here, and where you can see where that moves right there. I just had to tighten that up, and I'm hoping that that will be the only thing. Now update though on the darn tachometer, as you can see, is dead, nothing on it. So battery does not, it's an internal battery in those things, and they're like $75 online. That's just ridiculous. But either way, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this seat bracket, and I'm going to basically if I can get this light up here, I'm going to install this seat suspension. I've got the lift up so it's a little dark under here, but if you look, this suspension seat, because with my back, this seat's a little rough on this bad boy. Other than that, it's been great. Mows really well, cuts down half my time. I still stick to that. Motor's been great. It's only, when the tachometer went out, I only had about 16 hours on it, so I just have to add that to it when I'm doing my changes and my oil changes and all that. But so what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and remove that seat. I'm by myself, so I'm gonna remove it, take it off, and then I'll get to the next section. But you've seen these things kind of be done. I'm just documenting mine. So all right, here's a little tip. I have an awesome family that gives you a little Christmas gift. Get you one of these magnetic things. I have to see, must have been on Amazon or something, but you can separate all your nuts and bolts and spacers, washers, and then you've got everything laid out. So first thing I got to do is put the slider rails on here. So I'll get that together, get the parts, and get that put on. So we're getting there. I just put the sliders on. Comes with this nice little lift up and slides. So now I got to take this plate off. I'm gonna have to take the seat off and take these tracks off and mount this to that plate. So these look like 13s or something. So we'll get that taken care of and show you what the seat looks like on there. So I got the original brackets off, the sliding brackets that bad boy had on there, and I got this bracket on here. I just used they wanted you to use some of their bolts. I wanted to use the ones that the bad boy had in there because it stayed on there with that. So the only thing I had to do was provide was some washers. So we're going to get that up here and get it put back together, and then get it put onto the actual ZT Elite and ride around a little bit nicer. So it's looking good. What I like is it has this dust skirt on here, rubberized dust skirt. We'll see how long it lasts. Now this has connections back here to put more bolts in. I may stick some in there just to be safe, but those four are in there pretty stout. And then what I'm going to do is basically, you can get your hand right here. I'm going to sit it down. I'm going to get these back two lifted up, get the bottom two, and then put the strap back on this one. So wish me luck. Well, got a problem, and I should have measured, but maybe this will help somebody. you can see, but this is matching here, but under here is not. So I got to take this back off. There is provisions to move it over. I'm gonna move over one side. Hopefully it won't cause any problems when mounting. Well, we all make mistakes. So just what I did was I forgot to put the wire on for the safety switch for the seat, you know, in case you fall off. And I know it can be a pain in the butt, but I keep it on there just in case. I don't need anybody to sue me in case I sell this or whatever. But so it's these 4 simple bolts, there and 2 more on the other side. And what I'm gonna do is run it through here and bring it up so it's the wire is down in here. I know my lawnmower's a little dirty, but it's a lawnmower, and so I do have a tachometer coming. As you can see, it's totally blank. So I do have a tachometer coming. So, but been a good lawnmower. So I'll clean it up before we start the season. But let me get those bolts off, and I'm gonna get this wire ran. So what I did was I just looked over here, got blue and black. Universal is black as ground, and so I just took the black blade and stuck it in there best I could. And then what I'm gonna do is I've got some electrical tape. Let's see if I can find it here. Yeah, so I got this cloth style electrical tape that I'm gonna put on it. So let me get that done. We'll button that up, and that's just to keep the dust and dirt out of there. I know it's up high, but we just want to make sure keep as much dust and dirt out of these connections. And then I'll get it connected to the seat. As you can see, the other end are just these plastic covered blades, and they'll slide right onto the seat portion. And if you can't figure it out, you just make sure it's probably universal both ways. It's just sending the signal whether or not you've got open loop or closed. But being the black most of the time is a ground. And then if you plug it up, you just make sure you put the black on the left side just like you've got here. Alright, I'll get that done. Alright, we got it. So basically everything looks good. You can see the wires in there. So, and it's loose, so got that going. Even retained the strap for this, as you can see right here. Retained the strap for it. That's in there, and then it works good. I mean, you can see how much play it is in it. I mean, look at that. Before, the seat wouldn't even rock back and forth. I mean, yeah, it's going to be a game changer for working on, or excuse me, mowing the lawn. So let me sit in it and let's see what it feels like. Oh, wow, yeah, it's a comfortable seat now, just comfortable, and got good placement for the hands. You know, to go backwards, because I mean, you don't go backwards that often, but I have had it a few times. But it's going to be so different riding around with this. It's kind of like what truck drivers have. Speak up, guys and girls, if y'all truck drivers. They have those seats in their trucks that kind of glide with the road bumps. But I mean, it's really nice. I'm pleased with it. It's heavy. That bottom piece is heavy, at least 30-40 pounds. So it adds a little bit to the lawnmower, but this will do it. So if you have any questions or if you want comments, complaints, let me know. I know it was kind of a weird video, but just wanted to give an update on the bad boy. Appreciate my followers. 500 subscribers. It's taken me 2 years, but I don't do this full time. It's just part time, and I appreciate it. So if you'll just please like, comment, share, and get others to subscribe, I could do more. I greatly appreciate it. Today with BK out.